Greetings everyone. Today we will see Nayat, a very old traditional Korean game. According to some scholars, it is actually Colin Stewart. This is the mother of all dice games. They even claim this is the mother of even Chadurang and Pachisi. Anyway, my interest is only to revive the games so that current generation can play. So without further ado, we will just go to the game. So it is a circular board, very similar to our South Indian harvest games, right? And there are 29 points actually. So on the outer circle there are 20 points, and there are salient points, okay, like what in India we call it as a house or a safe place, like that, right? And here I never come across a safe place kind of thing here, okay. But anyway, we will just see how Koreans played traditionally. Okay, so they usually play it with the stick dice, okay, 4 sticks, and one side will be flat and other side will be concave. So flat side I left it without mark, and concave side I did some marking. So they throw it. So based on the flat side up, so this is 2, okay, so this will be 1, this will be 2, this is 3, this is 4, and all the 4 concave side, that will be 5. This is how Westerners and other than India people call. Normally in India we consider that as 8. So they usually use the stick dice because I am very familiar with the Indian shells. Even this will work. So here also open side will be this will be 1, this will be 1, this will be 2, this will be 3, this will be 4, and this will be 5. So it will be the similar, and it is usually played by 2 or 3 players, okay. So this is the starting point, and you have to go around and you have to come out. And unlike Indian games, in Indian games we will have 4 houses, 4 people, 4 houses, like that. Unlike Indian game, everybody starts here, everybody has to come out here. And like Indian game, even in Korean game, you can cut your opponent, if you jump on them, okay. Again, I did read multiple scholars, multiple videos and multiple modern ways of playing also. I never come across safe place, okay. So I am not sure whether safe place is here like in Indian game, but let us assume there is no safe place here. So but there is a salient point, that's all, okay. So if you jump here, you can change your path. Instead of going all over around, you can take a shortcut. I have put the arrows here. You can just go to B, E, E, A, like that. Or if you jump exactly on here, you can even go to A, B, C. Suppose you didn't jump on B, then A, C, then E, then A, you can come out, okay. Again, there are some circumstances people take the longer route. From B, you can go to, if you don't jump on E, I think they go like this, okay. You go to D, then come out like this, okay. So I am not sure whether D to E and A is required, because that will be very similar to this, otherwise it will be longer. So people say that sometimes as a strategy you can do. So this is a dice and strategy game. So I think I have given you the rules, okay. So you throw the dice, and the highest, you will repeat it for 4 and 5, it seems. And if multiple players are there, everybody throws this. Whoever gets the highest, they will start first and all that. And if there are 3 players, they use 3 tokens, and it is also called as horses, okay. And if there are 4 players, it is still 2 teams, okay. Players partners sit opposite and play, like that. So that is how it is played, and there are a lot of cultural significances in this game, is what while reading I learnt that, okay. It is also treated as harvest game. It is also treated as a divine intention of finding out how the year will be. This will be 4 seasons all around and all that. And some people even claimed it explains Confucius theory. And there are lots and lots, and it is also like a horse race. It's like gambling and all that. And these are also called as horses, and these are called as stables, okay. Again, my question remains whether this can be considered as a safe place. I didn't come across that. Why not? But if you mix Indian rules and Korean rules, maybe this can be considered as safe places also. So all I suggest is you just agree on the rules in the beginning of the game, okay. So you throw the dice. So suppose it is 2. So they do 1, 2. So the opponent plays. So they also got 2. So this is 1, 2. So they go out, okay. And there is one more rule also. So when they cut, they can play again. So they got 3. See, 1, 2, 3 exactly. So next time, they can take if you get a 5, you can play again, but it is 3, so I am not sure, you shouldn't play again, I think. So the opponent plays. So opponent got 1. So opponent is coming here. So now the second player plays. So they got 4. Okay, they can play again. They can keep another coin, or they can move this. And 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So they can't go like this. So they have to go here now. So I am assuming they will keep another coin. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. So that also came here. So this is also allowed. Your own coin means you can keep on adding 2 or 3 or even 4. But the trick is, even if it is 2 or 3, your opponent can cut. Opponent single one can cut. Okay, so this is Seed's turn. Oh wow, they got 5. Okay, they got 5. So they can play again. Wow, another 5. They can play again. Okay, 2 5s and 3. So suppose they put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So they must have taken this guy, because we are playing Korean version where this is not a safe place. So another 5. So they can put this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then they got 3. So it is 1, 2, 3. So now they can take this path, because they landed exactly on the salient point. Okay, so now it is the opponent's turn. So they will now bear out. They will win. So it's the opponent's turn. So opponent got 2. So they are here. So now Black Seed's turn. So they got 1. So they remove them. So when they remove, they can play again. Okay. So they got 2. So you can even bear out 1, 2. So you can move them together now, and you have to just get 1 to bear that out. So I hope it explains. So try to play the game and let me know how do you like it. And it is really amusing to know there are so many different variations and versions of the similar games. Okay, please do enjoy and let me know how do you like it. Thanks, and bye, Immaculate.